Well, I think we are good to get started here. Basically, just looking at Arbitrum here. Hopefully, some of you guys got in my long. Looks like it's doing pretty well, getting a good reaction off of range lows again. So let's see if we can get a push to our first TP, range highs, and then get a nice movement on this bullish bat. That would be ideal. And yeah, I think that patience is going to be key on this one. Might just take a little bit, but you know, I'm liking the ARB setup. What's up, Delta? Hope you're having a good one, man. But yeah, guys, we can take a look at Bitcoin here. Let me pull up a fresh chart. Why not? All right, so BTC, nice bounce off that 50 level on the RSI. Basically, looking at Bitcoin, guys, we bounced off of range lows here. And looking at it, I mean, so far, not bad at all on BTC. The thing is, though, is I would like to see these highs get flipped. So far, I'm not surprised we got rejected from them. And so, next question is, do we do something like this? Come down for a higher low, chop a little bit, and then push? Or what? Because Powell's speaking this afternoon, probably in like an hour or so. And so I'm almost positive that brings even more volatility into this market. And so the question is where is that volatility going to take us? Is it going to take us to push past range highs, or are we going to potentially throw down and retrace some of this pump? I'd be looking at a couple places. Basically, look at the 50 level on this FVG. Not a big FVG trader, but this one is really obvious to me. And if you pull this across too, this is 4-hour support resistance as well. So I could see us getting a quick wick down to this level. And this being a potential trade opportunity that I would like. Especially if, there's always volatility when Powell speaks. So I could definitely see us getting a push down, quick wick. I mean, this isn't even that much of a move. This is like what, 1%? Yeah, 1.2% down. So I could definitely see us getting a fill there. Yeah, we can take a look at Ethereum as well. But yeah, overall, like I like the bounce on BTC off of a good CPI print. So the question is, where are we going to be heading next? We shall see. Patience is going to be key, though, that's for sure. Don't chase any trades, in my opinion, guys. BTC is at resistance here, especially anything close to 70K on BTC. In my opinion, you want to be quite careful, in particular with your trades. Setting limit orders if you're not in anything already is what I would be doing. I would not be marketing into a bunch of coins, especially ones that are up like 12, 13% on the day. So yeah, that's really all I have for BTC. Um, Overall, the other level that I'm looking at is this daily here. So if we do have a larger dump for whatever reason, then I'd be looking to take a long down here. All right, cool. What's up, Pika? Hope you're doing well, man. All right. Got those out of the way. Let's take a look at Ethereum now. So Ethereum, very clearly, at the moment, is putting in a bearish retest if this doesn't hold. So what that means is essentially this would be where I would be seeing rejection on ETH if this is going to continue to the downside. If you want to be taking anything on ETH long-wise, I'd be looking at something like this, get in on the retest, and then potentially see a push-up. If that scenario doesn't play out, then really the next area I'd be looking at on ETH, it'd seriously be down here at around 3,200. Could put in another low at 34.73, that'd be fine. See if the 1 hour can help us with that at all. Maybe this access support around 35.46, potential higher low opportunity there. But yeah, right now I would not be long in any ETH. If anything, this would be better RR for shorts. Not saying to take a short on ETH, but if you were, then I would just make it something like this. Okay. I would be very careful taking long like shorts like this though right now, because with Powell speaking, we could easily have a wake up and take stops before coming down again. So be very careful. Yeah, we can check Bohm. I'm assuming this one's up today. It is up. Got some 4-hour divs starting to play out a little bit. A pretty good 4-hour candle close here. I will say that. I could see a scenario where Bohm comes down. It's the bottom of this 4-hour demand and then pushes up. Basically came down pretty close to the 886 here. So yeah, what I would be looking at specifically is a push down to the D point. That would be even better if we got something like that. Because at least this way you can strategize it a little better. Currently, it's a little difficult to try to jump in a play on it. at least using my method. Yeah, we could take a look at the USDT chart. So one thing that I do like here on the USDT chart is it came down, it closed the 4 hour back below range highs and put in what looks like a bearish retest here. So I would like to see USDT dominance come down again to these mid-range lows. Then overall could take another stab back down at these lows, maybe, even though there's, USDT dominance has been doing this sort of chopping around price action a lot. You might get something like that. Definitely possible. But that's neither here or there right now. At the moment, USDT dominance, this looks more bearish for USDT dominance itself. That 4 hour close, basically back into previous range. That's good for crypto. Mr. Sergio back in with his casts. I see you. I see you. Okay. Take a look at Cass. Ah, man. Sorry to hear that, dude. Short BTC. Yeah, I would just be careful, man. I mean, BTC, I know I updated my channel yesterday. We were at support. I know the market was looking red, but it's not it's difficult when you're put in a position where you are looking to short and you are at support, especially after BTC had a move down like it did. So just next time, be a little more cognizant of BTC price action. So CAS, the only play here I see is if you get this retest and you could potentially take these to higher prices. On the 4 hour there, let's see. Yep. Would be a nice retest trade if we get it. And I'll set some orders, get in with you guys here. Oh, okay. No, I got you. You were in a short for an analyst trade. Cool, cool. What else you guys want to look at? Do you want to look at Solana? Soul is at an interesting area here. I mean, overall, two scenarios. Either your zone here holds as support on Soul, and this thing continues to push to the upside from where we are right now, or and what is the safer trade, in my opinion, to take would be waiting if we do get another push down to this daily level here. 'Cause you have the golden pocket confluence and the daily at the same place. So basically one of two choices. Okay. Posted a long setup for Pepe community. Coin is looking yeah, we can look at it too. Take a look at Doge and Floki. Yeah, that was a strong 4-hour candle close on Doge. Sorry guys. Chart's moving kind of slow. Weird. Okay, let's see. Let me try something else. One second, guys. I'm gonna try to exit out of my trading view and jump back in. It's giving me some issues here. Huh. I am not sure what's going on with TradingView. Let me try using the desktop version. Is working. So just 1 second, guys. Yeah. Okay. I got this one to work. Can you guys see my screen? Should be a Doge chart. Yeah, as fast as Pepe community. Yeah, okay, cool. So Doge here basically filled the wick from Friday and had a nice push up. Um at the moment, if Doge is going to continue here, then I would like it to put in a higher low somewhere around here. That would be the ideal scenario to take this to the top side of range. Getting a quick flip down before higher. That would be the setup here. And then Floki. Pretty much just bounce at daily support. You had a daily level here on Floki. 7% bounce, not bad. Sees this thing. And you're still uptrending here on Floki, which is nice. Yeah, so it's just at this point, put in a higher high on the 1 hour chart. So if this thing is going to hold this break of structure, you want to see a higher low put in. For something like that. And you take that higher. You really don't want to see these lows getting taken out and then it getting and then seeing just them get lost. Then you could look for a potential trade down here at a sweep of these lows again. But overall, you'd want to see this higher low hold. But I'll set some orders in case this does play out for us. And then we could look at PP community. I can't believe this has perps on Mexi. Jeez, what a wick. Kind of interesting, actually, not gonna lie. You have like this huge falling wedge structure. It's pretty clean. You'd be looking for higher prices here. I mean, the risk reward is pretty magnificent if you do get a move here. It's a pretty crazy wick. The only thing is like I love the structure here. It's just like, is it going to play out? Is the liquidity good enough in this coin for it to just play out like the pattern suggests, or is it just going to roll over? I don't know. I've never traded this coin before, so I could not tell you. Um, but if you want to give it a shot, then this would be the place to do it. Yeah, I can look at OP, Mr. Choir. Take a look. So first, you want to see these highs being taken out and then flipped into support. That's step one. Get on the daily too. Take a look here. And you are holding daily SR, which I like. As you can see, this is a really important support level. It's honestly worth a punt. The reason being is I'll probably buy some spot OP because risk reward is nice here. Good shout, Mr. Missed acquire. Because if this gets lost on the daily, then I would. I mean, accumulating spot in this coin totally fine, but if you're on leverage, you wouldn't want to see that get lost. And again, guys, be really careful longing a bunch of stuff and getting into a bunch of positions before FOMC because volatility is ahead. And if you have hard stops, you could potentially get wicked out before the real move. So that would be sad, right? Be very sad. So you don't want that to happen. Yeah, this if this works. Not charts getting thrown out. See what the spot is back. BTC. Hey, there you go. Like I said, I'm getting a bounce off bottom side of this range. So we'll see which way. Yeah, it still just looks okay. I guess I was looking at the chart a little differently earlier. XRP. Man. But not really a coin that I would recommend holding or playing unless sideways. It doesn't really have any trending moves either, so all right, last one we'll look at is LDO. Kind of difficult to draw a trend on this. Probably something like that would be the best. LDO looks fine, I suppose. Like this is the thing that I think could be useful is we've got potential change in market structure here. If you can put this in as a higher low. So the way that I would be trading this is if you get a flip of these highs, then I think it starts moving pretty well. So just set your alerts around 2.19 and you should be set. Sweet, sweet. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much all I have for you today. I'm going to be teaching another class starting this afternoon. Saul was one of my students. Choir was. They know about it. I've talked to you guys about it the last couple. So if you guys want to jump in, just let me know. But that's pretty much all I have for today. Jinja was in it, of course. Um, I'll be doing another class in August. So if you guys are interested and you can't make the one starting today, totally understand. So no pressure. But yeah, thank you guys. I appreciate the kind words. It means a lot. Seriously. Hope to you guys next week, okay? All right. See y'all soon. Peace.